Hey, what's up? It's Sifu Kuttel, and in this video, we're working with hook sword. We're not going to do double hook swords because we're going to focus on a technique that's going to help us out with the next lesson where we do the double reverse flower. We need to learn how to do a single reverse flower, and that's what we're going to focus on here. This is actually more of an intermediate to advanced level technique, and we're going to get into doing this with both hands, so you need to really make sure you know how to do this with a single hand first, and it has to become to the point where it's second nature with both hands. So let's start with the sword in one hand. We're just going to take our other hand, we'll put it in a guard hand position by the chest, and then we're going to break this down, okay? So the first thing I want you to do is just let the sword drop behind you. So it's forward, and then I just let gravity, I let it swing down, and then as it's coming down, my hand is going to turn, so I'm like thumbs down, and then it's going to go behind me, okay? Real simple. Just let gravity drop, and then just turn your hand, okay? Essentially, I'm doing this. My hand is up, my hand is down. My hand is up, my hand is down. Okay, so we have right here, right here, right here, right here. Very simple. Once you have this down, we can put a little bit of power, almost like we're hitting, and then tuck it behind our back. Okay, so it becomes a very quick motion. You shouldn't feel any resistance in your arm until you get to about here. Then it starts kind of twisting up a little bit, but it should be pretty quick and easy to throw the blade down behind the body right here. Okay, so again, I just kind of drop down. Now, let's bring it across the body. We'll keep it simple here. So we're going to bring it down and then now turn and bring it around to the front side of your body. When we do this flowering technique, we're going behind our body and in front of our body, the back and the front. Think of the spine and the chest, okay? So here it already starts, it's on my spine side. Now as I turn, I bring it so it's on my chest side, okay? So again, I flip it down, turn. Now this will feel a little bit awkward once you're here because this is a movement you're gonna do in motion. Okay, so hit down and flip, turn, hey, nicely and nice and easy, right? So we let our body go with the flow here. Okay, so again, down, turn, again, down, turn. Now we're almost there. We just need a little bit more of a spin here. So what we're going to do is instead of hacking forward with the blade, we're going to turn it around and we're going to use the back edge to block a weapon out of the way. Think of flipping the weapon down, and then we're going to do our flip here. Okay, so start with it in front of your chest, bring it down. This is not going to go directly into our flip. We're still going to drop, and then we go into our hit. Okay, so down, up. Again, from in front of the body, down, up. Again, down, up. Again, we go behind the body, spine side. So from chest, spine, and it's still on the spine side. Now this is actually where we started. Okay, so this is where we're going to drop the blade one more time. So we start in front, down, up. Now flip behind the body, turn. Once it comes back out, down, up. Drop and flip behind the body. Okay. Now we're going to continue this motion, okay? So again, down and flip, turn. You come back up, extra flip, turn, down, up, extra flip, turn, down, up, extra flip, turn, down, up, extra flip, turn. Now, once you feel comfortable here, and you can do this without having to think about it, sit, watch your YouTube videos, watch something. You can sit here and do this movement. You don't have to think about it. You can talk, you can think about other things, and you can do this movement. Then work on the other side. Exact same idea. Down and flip, bring it across, point down, point up, down and flip, bring it across, down and up, down and flip, bring it across, down and up, down and flip, bring it across, until you can do this side. And watch YouTube, you can talk, you can think about anything else, and you can still do this technique. And then you can grab your other hook sword and check out my other video so we can put this together. Well, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the technique. If you want to learn more flowering techniques, martial techniques, and even a form with the hook swords, hop on over to my website, www.sifukuttel.com, and check out the online learning program. I have a weapons program that has double hook swords, and you can learn techniques, flowering, as well as a form itself. Check it out. I'll leave a link down in the description below as well as up above, and check out other videos in this double hook swords playlist. Hope you enjoy this one. I'll see you in the next.